Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team.
And Lana Wynn.
And welcome to our latest listing at 728 Lexington Street in Milpitas.
This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1459 square feet with a bonus room that's almost 400 square feet.
Now in addition, the windows are dual pane and the kitchen has just been remodeled with new countertops.
And the property is located in the great neighborhood of Curtner Elementary as well as Milpitas High.
Now Milpitas is one of the best places to live in the Bay Area because you've got easy commute to Fremont and the East Bay as well as the peninsula.
Come on in and take a look inside. Now we're in the dining room adjoining the kitchen, which is great for entertaining guests. It has upgraded quartz countertops as well as refinished cabinets and brand new laminate floors. The bathroom features a glass shower door, newer toilet as well as vanity, and a custom insert for all your essentials. And we're here in the backyard that's really large and it's open, so you can actually do a lot of things, even gardening. This home is located just 1 block away from Curtner Elementary School.
Now Curtner Elementary School boasts the highest API score in the system, 922 API. Now in addition, the property also gets Thomas Russell Middle and Milpitas High School. The property is extremely close to Milpitas High School. Now this is one of the best high schools in the Bay Area. So I'm here at Golfland in Milpitas. Golfland is only a mile away from the property and features numerous miniature golfs as well as an arcade and bumper cars.
Just 2 miles away, we have the Great Mall, which is the largest indoor outlet.
Thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope to see you at the next open house.